33. We see. Muna ya ga bagenizi. Muna ya ga bagenizi. Ai ga bagen. Ai ga ekwu ọnụ ka mara na ọ ga-wee ego oli otu naira ma naira abụọ. Ọ wụghị ọ ga-awụ. Ị gasị. Muna ya ga bargain. Yeah, but bargain, whether as a verb or as a noun, bargain. We are bargaining. My bargaining chip. Bargaining chip. My bargaining power. You are in a position of strength. Bargaining. Bargain. We bargained. We bargained. We're still bargaining. I can wish him, wish. I go log out and that. When they learn it, keep as the final one here says, nga purchase ya. A purchase we need purchase gas erika. Ihe nga purchase ni ma herika. So ani Igbo. Ihe nga so ni ma herika. Echukwa ni share mix. So etu a. Ihe nga purchase erika. Na beke obolo, I have many things to purchase. I have many purchases. I want to do some purchases. I want to do some purchases. I purchased it. One of my newest purchases. Beautiful English. Alright, Bulia. I think I bet she has. We'll be right back. Yeah. Okay, welcome, my man. I thought I was one to look at his I can make it the human to I know chapter 11. Chapter 9. How to translate and pronounce some common Igbo words to English pronunciation pattern. Or patterns, if you like. Therefore said, I will say many Igbo words are wrongly pronounced in English, both phonetically and phonologically. See the cases below. Number one, I will say. The Igbo adjective we will say. Mandikwa ihe. Akwụghị onye a na-eme bandikwa ya. Onye Igbo ga-asọ onye bara asọ na bekee sị gị, I cannot bear it. You cannot bear it. Ịma ṅụ mmanya ọ ihe so. Onye Igbo sị aga made iji ife B-E-A-R bear. Ịṅụ mmanya B-E-E-R beer. So you say I cannot bear it. You're wrong. So say it to her. I cannot bear it. Correct. I cannot bear this insult. I cannot swallow this insult. Swallow. This thing is unbearable. Not unbearable. The British sequence, the correct English, British English, Gabo. I cannot bear it. The past tense of bear is bore. The past participle of bear is bore. I can't bear it. I bore it. I would have borne it. Number two. Itoka akwa. Etipung mmanwụ n'anya. Iji akara akwa m, sị gị toka akwa ma. Etipung mmanwụ n'anya. Ma ọ bụrụ ejide akwụkwọ a, sị gị adọkọkọ n'akwụkwọ a. Itoka akwụkwọ a, etie gị etipung mmanwụ n'anya. Na ihe n'ebe anyị gasịrị na bekee. Iti ihe, ma onye ndọka, mee ka anyị sikpọrọ ndọka. Ọ bụ ebe ite n'ebe anyị bụrụ akpọ ndọka ihe. Ịdọka ihe dị iche from anya mmiri. But Nigerian English was so, if you tear this book, I will beat you seriously. If you tear, anya mmiri ka ị na-ekwu maka. Tear bụ anya mmiri. Tear bụ ịdọka ife. The past tense of tear is tore. The past tense of tear, the past participle of tear is tore. Tore. So tear, tore. Bear, bore. That's the way it works. So I see, don't tear this cloth. If you tear it, I will beat you, and tears will come down your eyes. Tears, and then a tear ran down his face. Tears ran down his face, and then now. I beat him up. Why? Because he tore my clothes. I warned him not to tear it, but he tore it. I warned him not to tear it, but he tore it. So I beat him, and he cried, and tears came down his face. This is what you do. Number 3. M ga-akpọ gị ma emesịa. M ga-akpọ gị ma emesịa. Onye be anyị ga-asị gị. Ndị be anyị amaghị dịchara letter and later. Amaghị m why. Ọ skuul anụ anyị gara lee ya onwe ihe anyị gụtara n'ọgịnị. Letter bụ akwụkwọ edere ede idere mmadụ akwụkwọ otu a ụdị a. Later bụ emesịa. Lei dịchara le. Lei bụ a diphthong. Le bụ a pure vowel. It's a pure vowel or here with that. So call me later. I'll see you later. I'll see. That's number 3. I will call you later. The by British English. I'll call you later. Correct. Number 4. Achọrọ m ịjụ gị ajụjụ. I want to ask you. Onye Nigeria ga-asị gị, I want to ask you. Now again. O nwere dị na ask and ask. Ask. Then ask. So mgbe ọ ga-abụ k before s bụ mgbe ọ ga-abụ anyị ike. Mana mgbe ọ ga-abụ s before no, mgbe ọ ga-abụ k before s. Ịkpọ k s ọ ga-abụ anyị ike ka ị na-ekwu maka ya. Ịkpọ s k ị na-ekwu ịjụ ajụjụ. Were ege ntị. Ask. Ihe bidoro bụ a front vowel. Vowel number 4. Front vowel. Short. Ask. You may ask. You may do the vowel number 5. Back vowel. Long. Tense vowel. So you see, ask. May I ask you a question? May I ask you? I'm asking. Can I ask you? Can I ask you? Ask you? No. I'm asking you. Get. I'm asking you. Okay, boy. Very few people. I'm asking. Are you asking me? Yes, I'm asking you. I asked you. The past tense of ask is asked. Asked. Correct. Asked. Anike ask. A-X-E. Ask. It's here D. If you inflect it. Asked. Asked. Adjective ask. Ask. Past tense A-S-K-E-D. Asked. So, onyabu asked. I'm asking you. I asked you a question. Ask him to bring the Ask him to bring the axe. Ask him to bring the axe. Ask. Ask him to bring the axe. There you just said there. Axe. On the game to axe. Over spread. Got a slight vertical drop. Ask. So a back vowel is in a on you get a chairs toward the soft palate. I have back vowel. When I boy either make one up tap. When chisa, I get my front vowels. I'm a bit treating car beautifully well. Here is your way. So Mr. Check here, go come with you my YouTube channel or at the market or in some important shops. The information will be passed to you. So that's it. Now what number? Number 5. Ajurum gadget. Onye Nigerian English, I asked you a question. Anike ask. So the British English Gabble, I asked you a question. I'm asking questions. Stop asking questions. Good. 6. I was saying, Nigerian English will say, I will send you a test letter. Test, T-E-S-T, test. Maule. Mana, in a good taste, T-A-S-T-E, taste. Then take a send I will send you a text later. text. The past tense of text is texted. I texted you, but you did not reply. Igbo English, we're talking about asynchronous conversation and synchronous conversation. Now, text but asynchronous. Call, adjoiza, but synchronous. Okay, maybe ayabani. Obìnrin mọ̀tọ́. Ó tẹ̀lé nàchẹ́ kùtùrù ndị báyìí ní à. Ugbu a nwa ohere kùtùrù. Obìnrin mọ̀tọ́ nkwukwu. Nke ọzọ abụrụ, ya anyị na-ekwukwu number 5 mgbe a jụrụ gị ajụjụ. I asked you a question, not I asked you a question. Number 6, m ga-edere gozi n'ekwentị. I will write you a text. I will send you a text. Kabaru kene fana text. Mana we need to taste, tasty, test, and text. I will text you. I texted you, but you did not reply. Number 7. The analysis. Good. Number 7 was tinye ose ahụ na mpempe akwụkwọ emeremere. Ndị be anyị na-akpọ ya baby. I'm going to be have a baby. Even the good graduates of English. So we are baby. Get mpempe akwụkwọ bụ paper. Paper. Ose bụ pepper. Pepper. P-E-P-P-E-R. Pepper. P-A. P-E-R. Paper. So here was the paper. Here was variable with the same thing. Schwa. Variable 12. Variable 12 is sounded like this. Paper. Pepper. A bit is what I say pepe. Pepe. Besides, A is Igbo. So, I say, put the pepper in a piece of paper. That's what it should be. Put the pepper in a piece of paper. You can differentiate. You can very easily delineate one from the other. Put the pepper in a piece of paper. It's your son and pepper free. From today, we see we have pepper. Pepper soup na babo no gather whatever pepper soup. It's one we have pepper soup. Pepper soup. Now pepper. The carrier no see any other pepperish or the pepper. Or the hot. Man, the Bible in the African much meaning of hot. It is hot. One or peppery. Pepperish is bad English. That's one it well. Then temper mad. Anyway, a hot temper. That man has a pepper temper. I mean, that man has a quick temper. Your temper can burn hurt. Number 8. Yemi here je fucha the mama na mob. Abro mob. M-O-B mob. Gab a crowd ishina bakasi neti madi. In mob action on the madi here. Abaka bogum kogi here. I have mob action. Man kind of could be here je fucha Gab mob. M-O-P mop. You mop a floor. I am mopping the floor with a mop. A mop can be used as a noun and as a verb. Mopping the floor with a mop. Correct. Okay. Number 9. Anam abaisi. Number anam abaisi. Kedebino. Anam na ebejetua. Kedi name. Anam abaisi. It's whereby I am plaiting my hair. That's Nigerian English. I'm not able to use one of the Jumori case plate. You be by a plate. P-L-A-T-E. Plate. After it by plat. P-L-A-I-T. Plat.